How to download WhatsApp Business on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily download the WhatsApp Business account on your Android device. So first thing, simply head over to your Play Store and just search in for WhatsApp Business. And once you search in for WhatsApp Business, its logo should appear like this, something like this. So it's a logo with B in the middle of that circle, as you can see on the screen. And for your verification, it has over 1 billion plus downloads. So simply click on install from over here, and depending upon your internet speed, it should be downloaded in time. So wait for some time. So as you can see, it's being installed right now. So once it get installed, just tap on open, and it will ask you to enter your phone number from over here, and you just have to enter a phone number and successfully register your account if you haven't already. So that is exactly how you can easily download WhatsApp Business account on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.